Good morning, guys. Today I'm back with another video. Today my topic is how to wash properly ceramic coated cars, because there are a lot of questions from my subscribers that how they will maintain their ceramic coated cars and what are the shampoos they will use to protect their ceramic coating and keep a clean fresh car. So for this I have purchased a ceramic coated shampoo from Wavex. There are other brands also, but I have purchased this particular brand as it is a bit on the economical side. There is a ceramic coated shampoo of Turtle Wax also, but that's quite costly. But it says it will be an effective ceramic shampoo and do the job. Not only that, it claims that it is infused with graphene, which has got very good water beading properties. So let's wash the car and see what are the results. Now my first job will be to wash the car and then apply the shampoo. It's very simple, just wash, wipe it dry and then use a dry cloth and you are done. Wash for চাকার জায়গাগুলো. The first step will be washing the car so that all the loose debris is removed from your car. The car has been washed with pressure washer. If you don't have a pressure washer, you can use a garden hose or even a bucket method. By applying cloth, you can wash the entire car, so no traces of dust or debris remains on your car. The shampoo is very thick. Now I will add water. Now mix well the shampoo properly. This is very important. পেছনে চলে যাও. So the entire car has been applied with this particular ceramic shampoo. Now we'll rub gently with the help of a wash mitt. So I have wiped it with the help of wash mitt. Now I will wash the entire car to remove the traces of shampoo. So we will start from the roof. It's very simple. So the entire car has been washed and removed all traces of shampoo. Now my next step will be to wipe it dry with the help of a specialty microfiber cloth, and this is the cloth that I will be using. I have brought different type of cloths. This is for the final finishing and this is to remove all the traces of water. So this is a very thick GSM cloth of Shinex Pro. I will give you all the links if you are interested. Start from the roof and always remember to do all this job in a shade. Never wash your car under direct sunlight. So those who don't have a shade should do it early in the morning, as I am doing. Dry. Now I will apply a dry microfiber cloth to buff some shine, as it is mentioned in the particular shampoo. So I will apply some dry cloth. So like this I'll do to the entire car. Finally the car will be ready. Also some dusting and cleaning of the engine bay. It's clean altogether, plus as a routine practice. This will also help you to identify if any abnormality is there inside your engine. I didn't show you, the video should have been long enough. I also applied the same shampoo to this particular car also, and you can see the result, as both the cars have been finished with this particular shampoo. So the shampoo is very good, and you can see this car has been treated with ceramic, so naturally the shine and gloss will be better than that other car, but the results are also very good even on a non-treated ceramic vehicle. This is how this car looks, and this is the other car. So I suggest you can purchase this particular shampoo, and as it says that it will replenish your ceramic properties and help your ceramic coating to last longer. And the shampoo is very easy to apply and very easy to wash, not like other sticky shampoos. So this car is also looking quite nice. The job is done. I have done shampoo to both the cars. This is a ceramic treated one and this is a non-treated car, but the results are good with both the cars. So you can definitely buy this shampoo and use it, and not only that, it will help to prolong your coating. As you can see, it has added a slippery type of finish, so it means that it is working. So I do suggest you definitely use a ceramic coated shampoo for your ceramic coated vehicle. So if you find this video useful, please do subscribe and please do like, and if you have any comments regarding this particular application procedure, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much and thanks for watching.